Success and flourish to all ballyrigs. Here's a health unto the farmer, likewise unto his lads, a wishing them to prosper by the handling of the plough and the kissing of a bonny lass when there's nothing else to do. The tailor, he's a laddie that sews at a clout. He'll take an old coat and he'll turn it inside out. He'll turn it inside out and he'll make it look like new. But he's far frae the bonny lad that handles the plough. Success and flourish to all ballyrigs. Here's a health unto the farmer, likewise unto his lads, a wishing them to prosper by the handling of the plough and the kissing of a bonny lass when there's nothing else to do. The mason, he's a laddie that's brewed o' his post. Gin it were not for the mason, we would all die of frost. But the mason, like the rest, he a little for to do. Gin it were not for the bonny lad that handles the plough. Success and a flourish to all ballyrigs. Here's a health unto the farmer, likewise unto his lads, a wishing them to prosper by the handling of the plough and the kissing of a bonny lass when there's nothing else to do. The smith, he's a laddie that's o'er a wee brook, and when he sees a bonny lass sae blithesome he does look. He kisses her and claps her and calls her his due, but he's far frae the bonny lad that handles the plough. Success and a flourish to all ballyrigs. Here's a health unto the farmer, likewise unto his lads, a wishing them to prosper by the handling of the plough and the kissing of a bonny lass when they're